What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I want to help you guys create a Balenciaga account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Balenciaga. Good, now scroll down over the ads and click on their official site. It should look like this. Click on that. Okay. At the top you have the option to log in. Click on that. Okay, and if you see here, you have the option to register. Click on that. Good. Civility. I'm a mister, so I'm gonna choose that. Or you have the option to I'd rather not say. Now fill in your first name. Now last name. Okay. Now fill in your birthday. Good. Now you guys have to fill in your email. Good, now create a password. But the password has some requirements, at least 8 character, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 special character, at least 1 number. So yeah, make sure your password has all of those. Good, now select your country and check these boxes and click register and proceed. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you an email with the information needed to confirm your account. The email might take a couple of minutes to reach your account. Please check your junk mail to ensure you receive it. So yeah, they're gonna send you a verification code, or not a verification code, a link. So you click the link and your account will be automatically created. That's it. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.